You won't believe this one. Someone actually decided to attach a flip-flop to a grinder, and somehow it worked. The result? A perfect tool, according to the genius behind it. Who would have thought a humble flip-flop and a roaring grinder could form such a powerful duo? It's the kind of idea that makes you question both logic and safety, but hey, creativity has no limits. So next time you see a flip-flop, don't think beach, think power tools. Because apparently, in 2026, that's innovation.